Curious about how much data you have used this month? Checking your Verizon data usage is quick and easy. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Verizon app on your phone or visit the Verizon website on your computer. Log into your account, then tap on the account tab at the bottom of the app or select My Verizon on the website. Now go to the users section. This will show you how much data you have used for the current billing cycle. Now, if you're on a family plan, you can view data usage for each line separately, making it easy to see who's using what. For more details, tap on View Data Usage, and you'll see a breakdown of your daily usage, data usage, so you can track how much data you're using day by day. Verizon also gives you an alert system, so if you're getting close to your data limit, you'll receive notifications to help avoid extra charges. If you're running low and need more data, Verizon lets you purchase extra data directly from the app. Checking your data usage regularly is an easy way to avoid surprises on your bill. One more tips on managing your Verizon account, like, follow, and share for simple guides that make things easier.